Welcome back to Buy Smart. Today, we're comparing two popular iRobot Roomba models, the budget-friendly Roomba 692 and the high-end Roomba Combo i5 Plus that also mops. Let's dive in and see which one suits your needs. First, let's talk about price. The Roomba 692 is a budget-friendly option at $269. Reviewers appreciate its affordability and effectiveness, especially for hardwood floors and pet hair. On the other hand, the Roomba Combo i5 Plus comes in at $549. While it's a significant investment, many users find its additional features, like self-emptying and mopping, worth the extra cost. When it comes to the cleaning system, the Roomba 690 Lock Shoe features a 3-stage cleaning system with dual multi-surface brushes. Reviewers love how it efficiently picks up pet hair and dust, although it struggles with thicker rugs. The Combo i5 Plus steps it up with a 4-stage cleaning system that also includes mopping. Users are impressed with its versatility and thoroughness, making it ideal for homes with multiple cleaning needs. Both models excel in dirt detection, but in slightly different ways. The Roomba 692 has dirt detect sensors that help it focus on dirtier areas. Reviewers find this feature particularly useful for homes with pets. The Combo i5 Plus goes a step further with patented dirt detect technology, making it highly effective at identifying and cleaning the dirtiest spots. It's like having a mini detective for dirt in your home. Navigation is another crucial factor. The Roomba 692 uses adaptive navigation, which is reliable but may sometimes get stuck under furniture. Users recommend regular maintenance to keep it running smoothly. The Combo i5 Plus offers smart mapping, learning your home's layout for more efficient cleaning. However, some users have noted issues with its software, making it less reliable in complex floor plans. The self-emptying feature is a game-changer for many. The Roomba 692 runs for about 90 minutes before needing a recharge, which is adequate but requires frequent attention. The Combo i5 Plus can empty its own bin for up to 60 days, offering unparalleled convenience. Reviewers love this feature, although some have had issues with the base. Voice commands add another layer of convenience. Both models are compatible with Google Assistant and Alexa, but the Combo i5 Plus takes it further by also working with Siri. Users appreciate the Combo i5 Plus's ability to understand more complex commands, making it easier to direct the vacuum to specific rooms or tasks. Overall, reviewers find the Roomba 692 to be a cost-effective and efficient option, especially for pet owners and those with hardwood floors. However, it may struggle with thicker rugs and occasionally get stuck. The Combo i5 Plus is praised for its advanced features like self-emptying and mopping, but its software can be a bit finicky. If you're willing to invest more for added convenience, the Combo i5 Plus is a strong contender. So there you have it. The Roomba 692 is your affordable, efficient sidekick, while the Combo i5 Plus offers advanced features for those willing to invest a bit more. Which one will you choose? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. Product links are in the description. Until next time, happy cleaning!